Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video I got a very exciting NFT to go over. Now before we get started, like always, none of the things I go through in this channel should ever be considered financial advice. Please do your own research before investing in anything. I'm going to be leaving all the links down in the description below so you can do that research. But with that being said, let's get right into it. In today's video we're going to be talking about none other than Women of Crypto. Now Women of Crypto is an amazing NFT that's set to launch on February 2nd of this year here. So it is going to be a first of its kind 3D rendered avatar collection of 8,888 women. With attentiveness to detail, the female avatars will have 111 unique physical traits and individual characteristics, as well as accessories and backgrounds. The Women of Crypto are diverse, yet one of a kind, so as to digitally represent and celebrate the special traits particular to every single woman in the world. So this is really great, guys. They're bringing in an amazing NFT. It's combining the 3D art meta as well as the women NFT meta, which is really bringing in two of the most solid and growing communities that I've seen in the NFT space and putting them together to make such an amazing NFT here. This project is a promise to restlessly work towards the education and empowerment of underrepresented individuals in the world of crypto. Now, looking at my analytics and a lot of other people in the NFT space, we can see that women are completely underrepresented in the NFT space. This is quite unfortunate because the female population makes up half of the entire world population, if not more. So realistically, having all those women come onto the NFT space will make it better for everyone. It's going to be able to help a lot of people set to be financially free, and having women underrepresented in this is honestly quite unfair. So to see projects like this bringing on more females into the space is always good to see. Now fundamentally, their efforts have been invested in bridging the gender gap, aiming to inspire and invigorate more women to participate in the world of crypto. With open arms, they encourage to invite everyone to acknowledge the women of crypto inside of them. So the Women of Crypto, they have a very cool little trailer here. Honestly reminds me a lot of the Hape Walk from Hape Beast there. They had the little Hape Walk. So they're bringing in fashion with females. They're making it very, very cool. And these are obviously Metaverse ready. We can see that they're fully 3D renders. They're actually able to move, which is honestly great, because if they're able to move, that means we're able to see them in different metaverses all across the internet here in Web3 when they're ready to do that. So they're going to be giving away 100 NFTs and 3 legendary NFTs to their early supporters. That's on their Discord. It's a little bit too late for that, and I'll tell you why. A lot of people are excited for this project here. So they have thousands of people in the community. We're going to be taking a closer look at their social media as we come along here. Now for the pre-sale roadmap, we can see that initially they're going to have those giveaways as we mentioned. They feel like they're indebted to early supporters of Women of Crypto across all social platforms. As a token of their appreciation, they're going to be airdropping 100 NFTs and 3 legendary NFTs to the members of the Women of Crypto community. Now they're also going to have transparency here. So the Women of Crypto is an NFT project that is being thoroughly built from the ground up. It's creating a firm and secure foundation for their project is utmost importance. So they're going to be proud to say that their objectives of the future roadmap are trusted and backed up by investors and 2 charity organizations. This is providing not only for them, but also each one of the people that buys this project and actually puts their confidence into this project here. So the quality of the art, well, they're going to have a 1500 by 1500 pixel PNG. It's a high resolution file, and each NFT will be one of one and will not be identical to any other NFT collection. Honestly, just even going back and seeing this video, we can see that they're actually completely different. A lot of times it's just the same face plastered over onto different NFTs, but we can see that each one of these is completely unique. They have different colors, different hairstyles. They're really just trying to incorporate all the beautiful women out there and bring them on into the NFT space. So once we come into the post launch here, we can see that they're going to have the Men in Crypto drop. So this is going to be a separate NFT collection that's going to be airdropped to all the holders of the Women of Crypto. So 6 weeks after the initial launch is when you can start to expect these airdrops. They're going to also be high quality 3D rendered male avatars that will preserve the same concept and style behind the female avatars. Crypto generations, the baby of crypto. So the Women of and Men of Crypto stage in the beginning of the legacy in the metaverse, where the possibilities are endless. When one holds both Women and Men of Crypto NFTs, something special can happen. When the 2 digital avatars avatars come together, they will harmonize their unique physical characteristics to render their own avatar. This equal blending of the two distinctive embodiments is how the next generation begins. We will manifest these with the baby crypto NFT collection. So the high quality 3D rendered baby avatars will preserve the same concept and style behind the female and male avatars. This is such a cool way of showing a morph utility in this NFT, which is really cool because they're going to have obviously traits from the male and the female be able to combine, and based on that you're going to be able to get it in the baby. Now, I'm not sure if you're going to have any chance to decide which characteristics that you want. That might be a cool addition, but honestly just the fact that they have this emphasis on the morphing is really great to see as well. So commercial royalties. Now, they're fortunate enough to have partnered with two incredible charities, which is the Women Who Code and Crypto Chicks, whose mission is to educate and empower women in the fields of business and cryptocurrency. So 50% of all royalties will go directly to the donations to their partner charity organizations and their partnering communities. That's huge, guys. Women Who Code and Crypto Chicks. These are two platforms that are able to bring a lot of females into the space and really set them up for financial freedom, as well as just the knowledge of the space. Now, there's a lot of people who know what crypto is and a lot of people who know what NFTs are, but how many people really know how to invest and what projects to choose in and everything else? So having charity organizations like these to be able to help females and be able to give them the accessibility to the knowledge and be able to support them along the way is amazing. To see a project of this caliber be giving away 50% of all the royalties in the secondary market there towards these two communities is absolutely amazing. Now, the other 25% of royalties will be used to invest back into the women of crypto community in formidable ways. So when they're speaking of educating, creating opportunities for all, is to have a place in the world of crypto, and they mean it. Let us expand on this. So you can click on here, we can take a look and see what they mean by the NFT incubator. So this is actually a really cool idea, and I'm very excited to show it off here. So all holders of Women of Crypto NFTs will have access to the following. Their team have composed comprehensive, exclusive, pre-filmed courses detailing and explaining everything from the fundamentals of NFTs, the metaverse, and a step-by-step illustration on how one can start their own NFT project. So they're actually going to be showing people the blueprint into how to make a successful project, as they have one right in front of us here. So they're able to actually have this incubator and be able to help out up to 10 people to create their own NFTs. So they're going to be doing that specifically for people who hold the Women of Crypto NFT, and this funding is systematically structured under a 40K budget for each of the selected members. So still, $40,000 is no light of an NFT budget there. It's going to be able to help a lot of people, at least 5 of those people, to be able to go out and make their own NFT. And they're also going to have not only that initial budget, but they're also going to have all the support from the Women of Crypto team, as well as all the courses and everything else that's going to show them how to create, run, manage, and release an NFT, which is always great to see, guys. So as we come down, we can see that they're also going to have community events here. So holders of the NFT are going to be given free access to conventions, where they're going to ensure the ability for each one of them to connect and learn from top masterminds in the e-commerce and cryptocurrency industry. So very, very cool. The first one's going to be held actually this year in a few months in April in LA, California, right? So very, very cool stuff, guys. They're also planning on invading the metaverse, as we see on the left here and what we saw in the video trailer there. These guys are Metaverse ready. They're going to be able to go in. We're not exactly sure which metaverses they plan on being in, but the fact that they're already ready for that, that's a great sign to see that they're actually future-proofing this NFT here. Now meet the team. This is the founder here, a lovely lady by the name of Amy here. She is the founder of Women of Crypto. She basically goes on to just show how invested she is into this project, her entrepreneurial experiences in the past. Honestly, I was able to speak with Amy here, and she's a very fascinating lady. You can tell how invested she is into this project. It really means a lot to her, and you can tell that this is a passion project rather than a cash grab. So it's always great to see, and I'm actually going to be able to give back something to our community here. So wait until the end of the video, and I'm going to show you how to get some of these whitelists here that are specifically given to our community. So as we come down, you can see that the team actually continues on. It's a fully doxed team here. We have quite a few people who are extremely talented in their own perspective fields, and they're able to bring over the community and be able to grow this NFT past the moon into Pluto. Now, everything to know, so these are just some FAQs that they have here. Well, when is the launch date? Well, the launch date is actually, like I said before, on February 2nd, 2022. So 2/2/22, very cool number there. So how are you able to get on the whitelist? Well, there's a few ways that you can do it, but again, if you wait until the end of the video, I'm going to be able to show you guys how to get it on me here. So as we come down, we can see what blockchain this is going to be on, obviously on Ethereum here. And when would the mint of crypto launch? So they said in March, or about 6 weeks after the initial launch of this NFT here. And how can you use your NFT? Well, you're going to be able to use it as an avatar in the metaverse, as well as using it to unlock many members only access and benefits to exclusive events. So that's it for the website here. Very, very cool stuff that they have going on. I just want to take a look at their social medias as well. Once we hop on the Twitter here, we can see that they're extremely active. They've already amassed 30,000 people on the Twitter here, and they're very, very active community members. You can see on this post right here, 2.2k likes, almost 3,000 retweets. Just a retweet here from Amy's post, and we can see that already amassed 700 likes, right? This is all on a daily basis. They're posting multiple times a day, getting anywhere from 400 to 2,000 likes per post, which is absolutely bonkers. Very, very cool art as well. This one's like a Joker NFT with all the money coming down from all the sides. They obviously have a couple days until the mint here, and very, very cool. They have, what's actually nice about this as well is like all the costumes that they're gonna have, the different hairstyles. You can see like a cyborg one on the left here. Very cool, guys. They're actually having a lot of variation with the NFT and making it as interesting as possible, and hopefully bringing in more women into the space. Now, the way I see it, whether you're a man or a woman, that you should actually be wanting women projects to actually grow, because the reason is say you are, you don't really care, you just want NFTs to grow, then realistically that's good, because you want more people on NFTs. So the more women that come onto NFTs, the more money that surges into the market, and the more money you're able to make reselling these NFTs, right? It's actually a great thing for anyone that joins the NFT community, and we're really missing such a huge population of the world by not having them as understanding of the NFT network. So personally, I'm going to be minting one for my sister and hoping that she's able to come onto the NFT space, and maybe this is going to be the thing that really gets her onto it. Once we hop on the Discord here, we can see that they've already amassed 48,000 users, which is absolutely crazy numbers that they're pushing here, guys. Again, the mint is going to be for 0.2 ETH, and that's going to be on February 2nd there, with a total supply of 8,888. They're extremely active on here. You're able to take a look at the roadmap and everything else, but again, I'm going to leave all the links down in the description below so you can actually take a look for yourself here. But honestly, very, very active community. If you come down, you can just see how many people are typing at a given time. Very active community. They're always posting on here. They're trying to grind out for their whitelist. Like literally all of this was in the past minute here. Like all of these messages were in the last 1 minute, and they're all from different people. So we can tell that people are beyond excited to mint this project, and for good reason. I am very excited to be able to mint one as well. And like I said, for waiting to the end, I'm going to show you guys how you're able to get some whitelist. I'm actually going to be doing a giveaway for 25 whitelists to women of crypto. So make sure you follow my Twitter here at Your NFT Mentor. I'm going to leave a link down in the description below so you can check out the whitelist giveaway. Just join. I'm going to be announcing the winners about 24 hours after I post that. And again, you're going to have a chance to win it. This is exclusively for our community here. I'm going to be doing a lot more whitelist giveaways as time goes by. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. That's the end of it. If you have any other questions, make sure to join their Discord and watch out for the Twitter giveaway. I'll leave all the links down in the description below like I mentioned before. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.